I want this year to bring back all the things that I forgot to do while growing up. So the first project that I am going to do, a project that will determine my Christmas journey this year, is create some Christmas Advent house calendar. I got some houses here that I will try to make. I've already made a list of 24 things that I will do, and the idea is to create 24 houses, put some chocolate, and also every house will have a small piece of paper where I will write one of those 24 things. And every day that I will open a house, I will get a random thing of these 24 things to do in this certain day. So first of all, let's try and create the houses. I've already tried once to create them, but it was a mess and a fail. Anyway, let's start. The main idea, first of all, is to cut these templates, and then I will use them as a guide for the cardboard. While growing up, we can forget about all these little cute crafts that we could do. I would love if you could find some inspiration from my videos and enjoy your holidays as well, and maybe try something new this year. Looking good. I still have to make 23 houses before December 1st, so I will be making houses for the whole day, I guess. So, no more words, just let's do it. The 24 Advent calendar houses are almost ready. One thing is only missing from them, and this is their decoration that is going to turn this into this. Then we are ready to put inside the chocolate and the cards for the 24 days. They open like this. and you simply put inside the treat and the card. Then close. You can put them at a table or simply hang them from a tree.